SEAT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all of that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Vivid Seats sitting at $4.60, $4.60, 20% gains today. That's phenomenal, cool, all that. And I mean, for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and have documented everything. With SEAT, started picking up, and actually I'm all about this. Obviously, like, looking back from a hard time for me, I also started shifting about 424, which is just the previous high that we broke, which is fine. And now what I'm going to do is just come here, mark out the highs. And in general, it's a proper bullish trend, man. Like, I really love this. So, like, in other words, unless the price pulls down inside my demand areas and then gives me some certain double breaks and whatnot, then I'm just not going to buy. Like, it's really that simple, but I'm trying to make it even more simpler than this. But yeah, man, like, I would really love to see this double break. Other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.